Everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word if it's not working. It's a very common problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and we will be able to fix it with one single step. So please make sure you watch the whole video, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe. Now, in the start icon, just do a right click and then click on settings. Now, once you're here, at the left-hand side, you will find many options, and we are looking for an option which says apps. So once you click on that apps, here you will find the very first option, apps and features. So once you click on that, scroll down and you will find apps list. And here you need to type Word or just type Microsoft, and you will find your Microsoft Office right here. I can see Microsoft Office Home and Student, which is installed in your computer. You might be using a different product, not a problem. Just click next, three dots to it, and click on modify, and it will ask you to say yes. And here you will find how would you like to repair your Office program, quick repair and online repair. Now my recommendation will be first the quick repair. If it fixes the problem, once the quick repair is done, please restart the computer and see if it's working fine or not. And if it's not, come back here again and select online repair and click on repair. So do the same process and see if that works for you or not. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.